Good morning, Condors. We're from the Student Council.
April is Poetry Month, and the Student Council wanted to celebrate it by having a day full of poems in your pockets.
Here's the deal. Throughout the week, a wide variety of poetry books will be on display at the library. Take a pencil and paper to write down your favorite poems. On Friday, come to school out of uniform dressed with as many pockets as possible. Fill them with the poems you have all collected all week. Better yet, create your own original poems. That way, you and your friends can share your pocket poems and celebrate Poetry Month.
All day, a pocket full of poetry ballot box will be in front of Miss Christie's office. When you hear a great poem, a lyrical masterpiece, or something that makes you laugh out loud, take that poem, write your name on it, put it in the ballot box. Then, the top 3 poems will be selected to appear on the Condor News. You can nominate more than once.
Remember, this Friday, come with poems in your pockets.